Welcome back, playground learners. Today we're going to learn how to identify the least common multiple. To find the least common multiple is to find the smallest integer that is divisible by two or more numbers. Well, what does that mean? So let's take a look here. I have the numbers 2 and 7. If I'm going to define the least common multiple, I need to write out the multiples of each number. So the next question you might be thinking is, well, what is a multiple? Think 2 times 2, 2 times 3, so on and so forth. Those are multiples of 2, and we're going to do that for 2 and 7. So let's start listing our multiples. You'll notice that I do them together. So my 2's, I start with 2, then I go to my 7, and then I'll continue my 2 until I pass my 7. So I'm moving up to 8. That's bigger than 7, so I'm going to go back to my multiples of 7. I'm at 14. Continue my 2's until I reach that same least common multiple or I pass it. For this instance, the least common multiple of 2 and 7 is in fact 14. 14 is the smallest number that I can divide both 2 and 7 by. That happened pretty fast, so let's do another one. 8 and 10. Going to set up my problem. 8, semicolon, 10, semicolon. Bringing out my multiples. 8, 10. Continuing it. Go to 16. In my 10s, I go to 20. Continuing it, 24. In my 10s, I'm at 30. Continuing, 32. In my 10s, I go to 40. Continuing, 40. My least common multiple between 8 and 10 is 40. I can divide 40 by both 8 and 10. Remember, when you're doing your multiples, multiplication is repeated addition. Take your time, use your fingers if you need to. Work slowly to have accuracy. I encourage you to pause and practice finding the least common multiple of 4 and 10. Press play when you're ready to review and check your answer. Welcome back. Let's check your work. Multiples of 4 and 10 are as follows. We have 4 up top, 10 on the bottom. 8, 12. That number's bigger than 10, so I go back. Now I'm at 20 on the bottom. 16, 20. My least common multiple is 20. Let's practice one more. You have 2 and 8. Set up your problem. 2, semicolon, 8, semicolon. Press play when you're ready to resume. Welcome back. Let's see how you did. Multiples of 2 and 8. Starting with 2, 8 on the bottom. Working up, I got 4, 6, 8. Least common multiple is 8. 8 is divisible by both 8 and 2. How did you do? When working with multiples, something as simple as an addition error can really throw off your answers. Be sure to double check your work and work slowly.